Good morning, everybody. This is the Planet Earth here. I'm currently at a stream here. I went to the middle of nowhere, Texas, to come out and try the FENIX LR35 10,000 lumen flashlight. And I thought this would be a good spot to do it, considering this is about as remote as I can get while showing just how bright this light is. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the light on. As it's on its lowest setting right now. Let me show you the LEDs. So it goes up to 10,000 lumens. Right now we're on economy mode, as you can see. Water does spill over this road constantly almost. And we got a little bit of a spill. It is almost freezing here. It was like 45 degrees where 43 degrees where I was at. But here it's like 32 Fahrenheit. So now we're going to go ahead and push it up to low. This is low. Literally. I'm not joking, by the way. This is low. And you can already see the trees. Oh my God, it's cold as heck. It's so much colder out here, and I don't know why, but it is. There's the stream. We're on low. We're not even on medium or high or turbo. And I'm already lighting up things way over there in the background. Creepy. We're in the middle of nowhere. I mean, we're talking, there's nothing for at least 5 miles. I mean, if there's cars out here, it's because the people locally live out here. So far, I don't see nothing. Okay, so the next one. Okay, we're on medium. And as you can see, it's lighting up everything. And the flashlight is barely even getting hot. Now you can really start to see the road. And look, see, I can light up things way over there. Okay, I think we're on high now. I don't know if this is turbo. I can't tell because I forgot to count. This thing is lighting up this far out. This is insane. Yo, I can't. Okay, here we go. Okay, eco, low, medium, high, turbo. Oops, so eco, low, wait. I forgot which one it is. Okay, turn on. Okay, eco, low, medium, high, turbo. This is 10,000 lumens. Oh my God. Oh, oh shit. Oh, it's lighting up everything. Bro, look at it. It's got, look, it's lighting up everything. Bro. Dude, it's lighting up this road like it's daylight. Whew, it's cold out here for no reason. Damn. Dude, it's lighting up the whole freaking road. Look at this. Dude, it's cold as hell out here. Is any of this iced? Oh my God. Okay, so this is economy mode again. Oh, it's actually getting humidity in the light because of the temperature difference. That is normal. Low, medium, high, turbo. Wow, 10,000 lumens. It's lighting up the whole shebang out here like it's nothing. Any of this ice? Because it's 32 degrees here. Look at that. No, none of it's iced. If it was a little bit colder, it probably would be a little bit icy. I'm sure some of these areas are frozen here. So what do you guys think of this? Like, God damn, I can feel the heat. Oh, it feels good. It feels so cold out here. It's so bright, dude. You don't even understand. Oh. Hey, this actually works in good cold temperatures really well, actually. Okay, so low, equal, low, medium, high. So this is 3,000 lumen. That's 10,000 lumens. It's ridiculous, bro. This is ridiculous, bro. I can make out the whole woods back here. Damn, you can even see it kind of shine up on that mountain back there a little bit. That is some cold water. Ooh, hate to fall in the motherfucker. Dude, it lights up my car like it's daytime. Oh my god, look at all the dust on my car. So this is 10,000 lumens of light. Oh my god, I can feel the heat from it. Ow. Yeah, that's bright. I think it's overheated now. Oh, ow, ow, ow. Anyways, let it cool down a little bit. But it's so cold, the temperature differences. Alright, let me go ahead and turn it off. Okay, no, it's going back to 10,000 lumen. Wow. Ooh, it's a little bit below freezing here now. 29, 30, there you go. This is bright as hell. Alright, thank you guys for watching. This is the FENIX LR35R. Takes two 21700 batteries. And they're at 4,000 milliamp and they're high drain capacity. That's the reason why it's so bright. Ow, 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 this thing's hot. Ooh, but it kind of feels good at the same time. Oh, to keep you nice and warm. Thank you guys for watching. It's creepy out here, by the way. Very creepy.